Hello guys, it's Hybrid Wayne again. Today's video is about unboxing the split keyboard from R-Go. It's the R-Go Split Ergonomic Keyboard. I bought this keyboard from Amazon Prime, as you see on the box. The reason why I bought it, because I was programming like for 10 to 12 hours and my neck was hurting a lot, my wrists, my neck and my shoulders. So I was thinking maybe this keyboard would help. So I ordered it from Amazon, and now I'm unboxing it for the first time. So it's a pretty small keyboard. As you can see, here's the guide, the manual guide. As you can see, you can order also numpad. You can order them from much more accessories. There are also tips about how to work healthier in the workplace to avoid like such problems with neck and shoulder and all of that. This is the container of the keyboard. This is the first side of it. It feels very premium, I must say. The build quality is very good. Those are the cables. There's one cable, micro USB cable, and two male micro USB to micro USB. So as you can see, it's to connect the two pieces with each other, or to connect one piece to a numpad that you can order extra from the website. This is just a normal micro USB cable, just the one that you charge your mobile phone with. I like the container of the keyboards. Like maybe you could use it to transport the pieces. The build quality, I was really amazed by the build quality. I was expecting some plastic bullshit stuff, but it is very sturdy and very good. And as you can see, it looks like a laptop keyboard, but the travel distance is very good, like touching it and stuff like this. It feels very comfortable. Those are the inputs, the two inputs where you connect the cable. One of them goes to the computer and the other one to connect the other piece. This is the left side. As they show on the website or in the manual, you have to connect two pieces to each other and then have one cable to the PC. What I'm gonna try in this video to do is connect each piece separately to the PC. Now, as you can see here, it's magnet. There is a magnet to, if you wanna like attach it to each other to use it as a full keyboard. It's also possible, and yeah, it's sturdy, I'd say. It looks very nice too, like any minimalistic keyboard that you could buy. The very good thing about it is when you split it, the hands, you can put it away, put each piece away from each other, so your hands would go straight. Like you don't have to, for example, put your hands on the laptop, for example, or you can put the laptop far away from your eyes and just type like that. What you need to do though is, it would help if you can type without looking, you know. So this is my laptop, and this is the keyboard. As you can see, it's almost the same size as the laptop keyboard. Now I'll try to connect it to the keyboard. I will connect only the left piece. This is the manual again. As you can see here, you connect the two pieces to each other and then you connect them to the laptop. On the right photo there are like numpad, but the keyboard also has a function, that function button. If you press on it, the right keys would become a numpad. So this is a very, very clever idea, I guess. So now when I connect this side, as you can see here, the red light blinks and then it will become green. That means it is working correctly. So you can type with the left piece only if you want. Use it for games, for example, or if you only need like the WASD for gaming. It's a very, very good. You see here, now I connected the second piece to the first one as a one keyboard as it's supposed to be, and I'm typing. It's very responsive, very good. Key combinations also in macros, they work perfectly in this mode. If you noticed, I'm using Windows, Microsoft Windows. I tested it on Linux also, it works the same. It's a very good experience, I would say. Now I try to move away the second piece, to move away the just typing. It felt a little bit weird at first, but after like a couple of minutes it felt okay. What I want to try to do now is connect the second piece directly to the computer. So to be able like to separate them as far as I can. I'm using like the Samsung micro USB cable to connect it. It also works. It doesn't come with inside the box, so there's only one micro USB cable in the box. So when I connect the second piece in the computer to the computer, you see it's working perfectly. But this works only on Windows. It doesn't work on Linux, and it doesn't work on Mac laptops. So trying to separate them from each other, like because of the cables, you can put them as far away as you need to. And in this way, your shoulders, you don't have to bend your shoulders like to the front. What I did was, and I found it really very good, is putting those two pieces on my thighs. So I need to do like some more experiments with it. I want to do like some small pillow, and to be able to bind it to my legs, to my thighs. But when you do that, I just put my hands on my thighs and I am able to type. The only problem is that they are you need the cable. Like, they would have been perfect if they were Bluetooth, but the problem is no other brand has been able to make a Bluetooth keyboard like that. I guess there is another one. It's called Keysync or something like this. Yeah, but anyway, if you are okay with a cable, it's a very, very good keyboard. If you're someone who is writing a lot, typing a lot, programming, it's way to go. And for the price, the build quality was very, very good. So I would recommend it. The only thing I didn't like it for is because it doesn't have Bluetooth. This is the only disadvantage of it. So that was it today, guys. I hope you like this product. If you have any questions, just write them in the comments and I will do my best to answer them. And have a good